Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the delicious Chipotle vinaigrette sauce right in your own kitchen. This smoky, sweet, and tangy dressing is perfect for salads, bowls, or as a marinade. We'll cover all the essential ingredients and simple steps to recreate this popular flavor at home. Get ready to elevate your meals with this fantastic homemade dressing. Making this vinaigrette is surprisingly simple. First, add your red wine vinegar, honey, chipotle peppers, garlic, oregano, cumin, salt, pepper, and lime juice to a blender. Blend these ingredients until they are completely smooth. Then, with the blender still running, slowly pour in the oil. This gradual addition helps the dressing emulsify, creating that perfect creamy texture we all love. The magic of this vinaigrette lies in its balanced flavor profile. The chipotle peppers in adobo sauce deliver a distinct smoky heat, while honey introduces a lovely sweetness that perfectly complements the spice. Red wine vinegar and fresh lime juice contribute a vital tanginess, brightening the overall taste. Feel free to adjust the chipotle peppers to make it as mild or as fiery as you prefer. Once your delicious vinaigrette is ready, the possibilities are endless. It's fantastic drizzled over a fresh salad, a hearty burrito bowl, or even your favorite tacos. You can also use it as a vibrant marinade for chicken, steak, or roasted vegetables. Store any extra dressing in an airtight jar in your refrigerator, where it will keep well for about 5 to 7 days. Just give it a good shake before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.